up.
Really?
Yeah.
So if it exceeds this box.
Yeah, basically it's fuck you to this box should push it down, this box should push it up. We want this box to push it up and just say fuck you to that box.
So next
Also, you
one.
didn't show.
So next
Oh
1 minute
shit.
candle should give us the inversion. What's cool about this too? Oh shit. Yo, even what's cooler about everything is, can you hear me? Sorry, my mic plugged out.
Oh, you're good.
Is if we can come up here and close, we'll also have CISD inside of this inversion, which is like two confluences
I
of
need to learn
one.
CSID better.
What's up?
What is
I need to learn it better.
catastrophic shit indicator?
All right, let me put on my buy and sell indicator real quick. I'm just kidding.
I know.
So it kind of actually respects the 30-second fair value gap, to be honest, as well as the one at the moment.
We could also come down and resweep that low too, though, because we can always come down and resweep this low, because I do believe that price will not come back down to this low. If it does, then fuck, I was wrong. We did take out a significant high. Don't get me wrong, we did, but I don't see price going lower unless it does want to. We're respecting this 15-minute bearish gap, but we'll just have to see how it plays out. We're out of premium for bearish anyway, so there's no reason to even take a bearish trade. Hopefully this 1 minute candle here will give us that nice push up. It doesn't matter. It needs to be displacement. If we end up creating hella LR and then inversing, we simply don't take the trade because there's hella low draws before the inversion.
Yeah.
We need a clean displacement inversion.
And what is LR?
LR
Low
is
resistance.
low resistance liquidity that could
But
fuck you
not-
in a trade. We could even
But you
come
don't
down.
fully-
We could even come down here, retest this low, and go back up. I don't see us going any lower though than that, than this maximum. I honestly hope we can just resweep this low and inverse back up if we don't do it here. We can also look at the equilibrium of this range now and see what we're doing from that CISD to the bottom. And right now we're closing under equilibrium, so it's not looking good for long at the moment in time, unless we get a hard ass push up.
I changed my fucking bib settings. I can't see shit on this.
Yeah.
Go back to the 15-minute. We're still respecting that 15-minute gap. All we got to do is wait for an inversion.
And there's lots of customization on here.
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Don't be on some bullshit right now.
No way.
We also got news in 10 minutes, more FOMC news, so hopefully that'll give us our inversion push.
Yep.
Also,
So-
we gotta think about where news high's at. 2:30 news low is rate 2:30, 2:30. Oh, 2 a.m. Sorry, 2 p.m. Fuck.
Yeah, too. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Already swept. So we swept news high, came back down to equilibrium. Hopefully we can start doing something bullish in this area.
Yeah, news swept the highs, then we swept news high.
I'd like to see like this 1 minute right here. Like, it's not gonna happen. There's 30 seconds left in it. We're probably gonna resweep that low. See what ES is doing. All right. Maybe we do want to come back down. So, cause like, look at this real quick. This is some sauce. If we come back down here, right, and sweep this low on ES, look how far it is on NQ. That's gonna be another bullish SMT.
Oh, fuck.
Right here.
Which, well, you know what that also
Don't
is? That's a premium. That's a premium long right there.
Premium long while in SMT.
Yeah. So if we can come down here, sweep this low, get a nice inversion back up, I'm taking it.
Where's ES low? ES low.
We just have to see what we do. We could even come down here and sweep this low on ES and go back up. We just have to see how. See how it plays out. We're still in this 15-minute. The only thing I don't want to see here is this 15-minute get inverse. Once NQ closes, and if it inverses at this gap, we might as well start looking at like just waiting. So it's a whole waiting game. But what I'm hoping for is we're pushing really hard right now towards that low. I'm hoping before this 15-minute closes in 7 minutes, we can start heading back up off that bullish SMT, off that ES low. It looks like ES is about to take it out now. So we just wait.
Let's just chill a second. Chill a second and see if we get a good entry. And then if not, hitting the gym.
What's cool here is we do got accumulation now. So if we can get this displacement and then this
you have a bearish 5 minute that's open at this point also.
Good eye. Really good eye.
So now, to really play out this 15-minute gap, do we also kind of want that 5 minute gap to really close rather than just that 1 minute gap?
What what you said, 5
The
minutes
inversion.
inversion? That's a good way to look at the market. How I look at it is if I can get a nice inversion off this low, I can go break even the minute we hit that 5 minute. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So wait.
So if ES comes and takes out this low, which I really hope it does, then we still got 15 minutes left in that 15-minute candle that could still respect that 15-minute gap on NQ. So a good, quick sweep here, inversion back up, I'll take it. At that 5 minute, I'll break even, hoping that it'll inverse that 5 minute. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But that's the goal
Right,
here.
yeah.
Is we see a nice inversion on the right here. Hopefully we can come down on at ES, get a nice push down here, open up a fair value gap like right here, inverse that gap, break even at, you know, once we take out this high inside of that 5 minute. Because that 5 minute.
ES is
What's up?
ES is like tagging those lows right now.
Yeah, no. Like I said, it could just come down right now. Like right now we have no, we don't have a bullish SMT off that. Really want to see that ES low get taken out, but if we get hard displacement here, because we just reswept that low inside of that 15 minute. Alright, let's see what ES wants to do. Come on, I need this shit to happen faster, because this 15 minutes is about to close here. So hopefully we can get a quick wick, push back up.
Here. Let me see if I would have just took this. See ES right here. Motherfucker, ES, do it or don't.
ES needs to, because I'm not taking it long if it doesn't.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna. So now I'd rather wait for that 5 minute close before I take any longs. I'm hoping that we can come down now. So if we can inverse on the 5 minute, it would look a lot better because we did get a resweep of that low inside of that 15 minute. But I really want to see ES come down from that low. It doesn't have to, but a 5 minute inversion is my only option at that point.
Yeah, so if we respect this 15 minute and we inverse this 5 minute, I mean, that's still the same. Inverse that 5 minute, we're also inversing a 3 minute. And I mean, that original 1 minute would essentially, I guess it kind of swept, sort of, already, technically. So, yeah. Yeah, the 5 minutes really what I'm looking at here. So if we get a clean close, I say price of like 863 or something. So we get a real clean close of the inversion on that 5 minute. And you enter that, right? Essentially?
Yeah, because FOMC news comes out in 5 minutes, so that'll give you enough confirmation that we're gonna inverse that 5 minute and start moving up towards those equal highs. So
I forgot about the second FOMC.
We'll just have to wait. I'm gonna go piss.
Better hurry. Go fast, piss. Yeah, we got the same chair. What chair you got, piss? But he's got the pillow at the headrest? What is that? Some LNS. Luxury nigga shit? Huh? Hell no. Lame nigga shit. You got at the bottom pillow. Yeah, so look at this. I'll kind of try to explain this to you, even though it's gonna be like super like hardcore to be
What
honest.
was it a fizz?
What? I'm explaining it to you. Wait, where the fuck's our 15-minute gap? Nigga, stop. No, I'm asking you, Jack.
Oh. Oh, then.
Hold on, look. So we have a 15-minute gap right here. Jack, I'm trying to show. Motherfucker, look. So you see these 3 blue candles right here, right? These wicks never intertwine. They never fucking touch each other, so you have a gap there. That is a buying gap. See how this looks so fucking good right there? But the problem is, yeah, that the bottom right here. But the problem is we have a 5-minute selling gap or a bearish gap right here.
And you wanted to exceed that. So
we wanted to say fuck you, retard, to this gap while respecting this gap.
Yeah.
And the word.
So if it exceeds that, which it didn't, you're good. But if it exceeds this one, then you're like.
Well, this is the buying zone. So if we completely disrespect this buying zone, well, we're fucking, don't even worry about it. But we're respecting this buying zone and disrespecting a selling zone at the same time.
But what indicates this not to go? Why do you not have this stretched out more? This box down here.
There.
Okay. I thought you were just looking at that piece. So.
No. It's just I just like to keep shit tidy.
Okay, cool. Okay, so that box you want it to blow out.
Buying zone, selling zone. We're trying to buy because we have a lot of other conditions that make us want to buy here. So,
Or what if it goes through this one?
fuck this box. We're not paying attention to this. This is just news high, news low.
Okay. So yeah, you're just waiting, and now it's gone. It's actually gone.
Just another thing is what I'm looking at is on the 5-minute. If we inverse this 5-minute, then we're also on the 15-minute, respecting that 15-minute gap. Does that make sense?
That's exactly what I just. Exactly what I'm saying.
So we're about to inverse it now in 1 minute. So I'm gonna get my shit up now for a buy 15 micros and
15.
we'll wait. We'll see what we do here. We're gonna inverse this 5-minute. I want to look at ES real quick too before I enter and make sure they're both indexes are gonna complete.
FOMC 20 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna be trading FOMC pretty much, so that's fine with me. I want to see this 5-minute close and a strong push up right afterwards. I can see that happening. So boom, full TP here.
Our 5 minutes not gonna really close right.
Yeah, that's then we don't take it.
No, we're literally. Whoa, wait.
Nope, didn't. So now what we can wait for, hopefully it just doesn't rip through it. That'd be shitty. Crazy. This FOMC ain't doing shit. Is if we can close above this 1 minute, plus get that CISD, that's a valid move too.
Yeah, I see that 1 minute gap for sure.
That just helps me be like, all right, I don't have to look at the 5-minute anymore because the 1 minute is disrespecting that 5-minute. So we wait for this 1 minute close, and it has to happen literally right here. If it doesn't happen here, we wait for that resweep, that SMT that I was talking about, which is looking like that's what we're gonna do. Because you got to think about it. We're in a bearish 5-minute right now.
Right.
I need to see both indexes do it though. We need to get above here on ES. Didn't break through it. So I think we're going to come back down because it's a lot of LR that we created.
How many points is this? Big stop too.
The thing is we didn't take out that major high yet on the left. So before we go lower, we need to see that significant high on that left get taken out if we do go lower. Or maybe it might not, which is decent too, because if we can come down for a resweep.
This significant high is what we're talking about. Not that one.
We didn't take it out on either indexes. We just wait.
Yeah, so that selling zone, the bearish fair value gap that we were wanting to get fucked over, didn't get fucked over at all. So this is kind of a no trade situation. But because it didn't get fucked over, you can say like yes, selling situation, like that's not the wrong thing to say. But this is just not like a premium time to get in a short. But if this would have broke this, it would have been a premium time to get in a long.
Right.
But like, I mean, yes, I guess we're not buying here because we're gonna be in bearish, order flow, or it's gonna be a selling market for a second. However the fuck you want to.
How I look at it right now is now that we're pushing back down, I have to see this other low get swept that I wanted to see from the start, because I have to see that other SMT now, because the way prices are looking, ES wants that other low. I have to
You're
see
talking
it
about
now.
that. Is it? Let me see. Are you talking about the? Oh yeah, because that's the first low here. Let me not even ask the question and figure it out. That's actually an SMT, sort of.
So we'll just wait for this
So,
low to be swept. We have
yes,
really good price action right now. Really good PA. So we want to see ES come right down here now.
this candle right here is sweeping it.
This needs to sweep it, and then we need an inversion to the upside.
Yeah. So. Come on, ES, stupid fucker. Okay, the candles turned red at this point, and we have
Boom, we did it
we have
right
sweep of ES. We have sweep of ES.
So now we got a bullish
Now
SMT with NQ.
Yeah, bullish SMT NQ. We're gonna mark out the
We have
top
a
look at
new
that. We have a
15
1 minute.
minute. We have a new 15 minute as well. I need to see this bitch um respect
Okay,
this
so this
15 minute.
becomes irrelevant. We
So
have a
bull-
1 minute right there. What is 15? What 15 are we talking about?
So NQ on the 15. So if we can get an inversion to the upside, I'll expect that ES is gonna NQ is gonna end up making a wick and
Where
right
do
here.
you see a 15-minute gap on NQ?
Oh, the one the one that we ended up. Let me show you right here. So
Yeah,
this
please do.
this inversion gap right here. I need this wick to low key come back up. Bro, damn, that shit dumped all the way down. I just still hope it doesn't take it out. So hopefully we do not take out this low. God damn, it's gonna. Now, you also have to think about, we still have a bullish SMT because NQ never took out this low rate. Right here. So, even long,
This is
even like a
close.
good long opportunity around this zone
These
would be
longs.
decent. So, hopefully, like honestly, bro, if ES forms one fat displacement candle like this, I'll expect price to just keep dumping. But low key, I do want to see an inversion right here, something. All right. If this shit don't play out, then I was wrong. We're gonna end up inversing.
No, I think I would have played this the exact same, and it really was creating that opportunity. The opportunity just didn't fully present itself, but we got the first steps.
It can still present itself. We still have a bullish SMT coming back up pretty hard, like I wanted to see. Now we just need to see that inversion happen, and we're chilling.
Right. He's not gonna get anything on the 5.
So I'm on the 2 minute right now. I want to see that 2 minute get inverse, and I'm in.
Yeah, so we're gonna get a candle close in 15 seconds right here. And you're talking about this 2-minute candle close that's literally involves the candle 1 candle away from current price?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm looking
Just
right
double
here, so I need to see this inversion here. I think it's a 3 minute inversion now with that close. Yeah, so look at the 3 minute. I need to see that 3 minute get inversed.
Beautiful. Holy fuck, yeah, because that really wasn't present until we had that candle
So
close.
I have to wait for this whole 3 minute candle close, which sucks. So I really hope price doesn't start ripping.
Well, at the same time, if price closes, let me see, at 41, it's going to close that on the 5. But yeah, you definitely look right. If we can get as 3-minute invalidation and we get in from 340 to 355 areas still, I think it looks right.
Yeah, it looks great. We still have a bullish SMT.
Because like
we have that hourly above. Don't forget about the hourly above that has been unmitigated. This hourly needs tapped into before we continue lower. If we're going to continue lower, we're tapping into this hourly. Or maybe if we're wrong and this 15 minute on NQ ends up not look, see how I told you it would hold? This is what I'm talking about. That 15 minute on NQ is holding now. So now we're respecting bullish order flow. I just need to see that 3 minute inversion, which we're about to get right now.
3-minute inversion. When does the 3-minute close? When is this? That's 33, 36, and 39.
We got a whole minute, yeah, and we have to wait for it too, because I can't tell you how many times I got fucked over because I'm like,
Yeah.
bro, I can't wait for the 3 minute. There's a whole minute and a half left, and then it ends up forming
Yeah.
a fat ass wick, and I'm like, I should have waited. Well, what would it have costed me? Like, so we just wait. Break even right here. So once we get in, we break even at this high right there, and then we take our TP. Honestly, brother, I'm taking it right here. Why? Because this is that high that swept this liquidity here, which makes it a major high. So I want to see
Yeah, I'm
this
definitely.
3-minute inversion. We have a whole minute left. It can still happen.
Dude, there's no way we're gonna get Jude on an entry 10 fucking times where we could have just been taking these short gaps.
Well, another thing that
Oh,
kind of sucks is this. Okay, this 3-minute just doesn't have a wick on it, and I don't like taking trades without wicks on the bottom. But this 3-minute inversion will, I'll be confident enough to at least make it up to my break even. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get the 3-minute inversion, to be honest with you. This is why it's so important to wait for the highest time frame candle closure, because there's so many times I was impatient, and you see this 1-minute close right here, I would have took that inversion. People say inverses don't work. Yeah, because they're not optimizing them correctly. They're taking these
exactly.
inverses that they didn't wait for the
Yeah, the
highest
1-minute
time frame
inversion.
inversion. Yeah, I
That,
use one
yeah,
minute
1-minute inversion
inversions.
does get really good if you don't open a 3.
Yeah, we could just be coming down to equilibrium of this range, just to go back up and close above there. We'll see. We just hit equilibrium now. 3-minute already closed, which sucks because look at that closure, so ass. But we just
Yeah,
wait.
imagine you would have took that
We wait for another
49, 50.
3-minute candle. What happened though? We came down. We just respected equilibrium, respected that 1-minute gap. This would be a lot better 3-minute to take anyway.
Wait, what equilibrium are you looking at?
So if you go to the 1-minute, you see this high of this most recent high and this low of this most recent low here to
Oh, okay,
here.
yeah, this just looked.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
check. I just see why we invalidated. I do this all the time to see like why we invalidated inversion. Well, this candle just closed under equilibrium, showing that we're coming back down for another resweep of that low. We also do have this inversion out of this 5-minute. I'm at 3-minute, but I'm just gonna wait it out. If anything, I was wrong on the trade, or we wait for an SMT at the low. Just keep going back and forth until it gives you something, or you're like, all right, it's 3 p.m. now. I'm just gonna get off. You know what I mean?
Right.
But like, I like that we're creating more LR. That's a benefit. That's a benefit. I don't want to see NQ come down to here. Once NQ hits at this point, I just get off. I was wrong. Liquidity's already been dried up for the day. Cause that's you gotta think how much points this move is from here to here, bro. That's fucking a 50-point move. That's a lot. That's a lot of movement. And if it's gonna tank down here, we were just wrong on the day, which means that NQ, which is looking like it's doing it now, unfortunately, is now inversing this 15-minute gap to go down to this low down here, which is kind of shitty, looking at it now.
Yeah, I think we had a really good
Hold
idea.
up, it could still play out, brother. I did tell you one thing. I don't like to see like enter off inverses when there's a candle with no wick. So I do like how we have a wick now. Now we're going back up to inverse at 3-minute. You see how there was no wick on the bottom of this 3-minute candle? I learned that when I take inversions off a no wick candle, that it always comes down to like break that, form a wick to go back up. I don't know why, but I've noticed that in trading.
I mean, just candles naturally want to have a wick in that sense. Just the way fucking shit works.
What's crazy is I'm explaining that, and then I go over here, and no wick candle that literally rode all the way up. But
Yeah, that's funny.
see what we do on the 3-minute. It's not looking good, I'll tell you that. There we go. All right. See if we can break above this high and inverse that gap. That'd be nice. we don't, bro, this is probably it. Let's see if we got an SMT at the low. 1 minute SMT at the low. This is pretty much it right here. If this shit does not play out, we have a 1 minute SMT at the low. If we can complete this 3 minute inversions, then longs look good. We still got the unfilled hourly above. Like, what the fuck? Price is gonna want that hourly before it goes lower. It's just like, what low does it want to fulfill and be happy with? I don't know.
Dude, there's no way you just. This motherfucker just sat right here, didn't say a word, and just crushed like 12 carrots.
I was actually
the long
14.
way. He ate them the long way.
Oh, they're so good too. You didn't want any, did you? You didn't have any.
Really hope that we can do that.
Money spread the long
All right,
way.
looks like we're gonna get the inversion now.
You're from the cruciflexion. It's so good, actually.
Look at this guy.
Nobody does that wrong. Get cruciflex. Did you see it? Did
Yeah,
you
see it? Look at this guy. Make a
The cruciflex.
The cruciflex.
All right.
Shit's so tough.
we got an SMT at the low now, and then we're about to get this 3 minute inversion right here. So I'm taking this shit.
Yeah, we're not an inverse.
You see that 1 minute inversion? I'm at that 1 minute SMT.
I'm not gonna lie, I was cruciflexing. Let me look into it.
If this shit gets blown apart, if this 1 minute inversion at that low gets fucked, then I'll probably be done for the day. Because if we blow back down under that that SMT, then I'm gonna expect price to just want to go lower for the afternoon.
Right.
And then we'll come up and sweep all this shit. Maybe Asia, maybe Asia will come up and tap into the hourly, but I would like to see it happen. What are we doing on the 1 minute? Shitty price action. Shitty price action. Come on.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie with you. This is.
If we can break over this high though, and then come up with that next 3 minute candle, bro. Please break above that high.
But look at this though. That 3 minute gap that we're wanting to inverse in. The second we inverse that 3 minute gap, we're basically gonna be trading into a 5 minute bearish gap.
Where? Right above?
Yeah, like literally
the one that
oh fuck yeah, I guess.
Yeah, you gotta think about it like this. Hopefully we do not go back down. I hope to God this SMT holds.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Actually, the fact that this did already fully sweep that. Okay.
My thought process is if this SMT don't hold, we're just gonna want to go lower. Which is stupid because look at all this LR we've created, dude. Like, look at all this shit. Look at this.
I'm looking at it.
This has to be it right here. A 1 minute inversion sweep. We just have to close up here. One of these candles are about to rip, hopefully, because this is retarded. I need this shit to rip too, because I'm not trying to be in no slow ass trade either. Do we got a bearish SMT at the high? I'll cry. No, we don't. Alright, let me check equilibrium with this range. Because this one should hold. If this shit don't hold, I'm going to be highly pissed. And it's not holding. We just closed under equilibrium. Damn, hopefully we rip back up here. I've seen it happen.
You want to go eat crawfish Saturday?
I think Saturday. Yeah, my sister's wedding. I think.
Wedding?
Fucking something like that.
Her and Tim are getting remarried?
No, Caitlin.
No, Caitlin's getting married?
Yeah.
Oh.
We gotta hold that SMT, bro. Or we're gonna call it. No way. I swear to God, believe it or not, we're literally coming down to SMT again. This has to be the last one, bro. Come on. Please.
I think yours is the most.
This is crazy. This is actually terrible FOMC. Because the minute I get off, it's just going to rip up. Okay. I like that push back up. Don't take out that SMT low, please. Please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't take that SMT out. Rip.
Yo. Blow the candle up.
It's not going to happen, bro.
I tried.
We're under equilibrium right now. Out of that range. It's just... And we're respecting that 3-minute gap. We're respecting that, I think, a 5-minute gap too. Still, just looking stupid. Hourly looks stupid. Crazy, bro.
Retarded.
Hopefully it happens though. Like we need to see a fat displacement candle, bro, because it's just retarded right now. Okay. Come on. This has to be it. We're about to open up a new 3-minute, and if this bitch don't inverse, I will cry. New 3-minute about to open right about now. We didn't close under that previous low, so. Let's see what we
Right. Yeah, I know. We've had them sitting here waiting for you to come back.
Isn't waiting for a trade boring as fuck?
No.
I'm excited.
If you get one.
You know how much dopamine I'm releasing just itching, thinking about it clicks the buy button?
Just actively tweaking. Yes, bro. Love you. Hey, he saw. Hey, look up.
Who painted that picture right there?
Hold on, check the shorts.
Right?
Check the shorts.
Those are
Check the
fire.
You got the blue and the striped pajama
Those are
shorts.
low-key fire for the gym.
Yes, no. No, I'm Jewish. No.
Oh, he said he's Jewish. He said he's Jewish.
You're Jewish?
We're gonna get the
You're
entry.
lying.
We're gonna get the entry now.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
No. Be Jewish would get the entry.
Oh, my bad. Yagamash.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's ripping. It's
Goyim. Oh, shit.
Oh, dude, this shit's so annoying. Not gonna lie, I'm getting annoyed at this trading shit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think you're saying you're up on the day. I think I'm up on the day. I think you need to not be getting annoyed by this shit. Don't force an entry.
I know, but I really wanna take a pivot trade up back up to this high. Like, I feel like it's gonna happen any second when I get off. That's the thing. But yeah, if you guys wanna go work out, don't let me hold you guys back, bro.
What'd you say?
I said, if you guys wanna go work out, don't let me hold you guys back.
Hey, bro. If anything, I'm holding this motherfucker back.
I just worked out twice today.
Damn. All I did today was I genuinely woke up, traded, and went back to bed, and now I'm woken up for my second trading section.
That's how it be, though. What is this, bro? Like, since 2:30 news, we've moved nowhere. We've moved, 5 points.
Bro, market closes in an hour.
Yeah, but usually 3 p.m.s are when the entries happen. That's the only reason why I'm just like, fuck, bro. It's usually 3 to 4. Market closes at 5.
Mm-hmm.
So usually 3 to 4 is when entries happen, dude. I really, longs still look good to me. I might sound like a psychopath for thinking that, but they really fucking do, bro. Hopefully right here we're opening up this gap to inverse back up.
SMT's broke. SMT's broke.
Alright, I promise when I say this, I'm done. If we don't fucking inverse up here, I'm fucking done. Now I can get a nice premium 1 minute inversion back up. I'll take this 1 minute up to that 3 minute, and then I'll the high inside of the 3 minute, I can break even there. So hopefully we can get a fucking inversion back up here. This is it. This is the last one, I promise, and we're done.
You're looking for a 1 minute inversion?
I'm looking for a 1 minute inversion here. Like, I'm so confident in price going back up from this point. I don't see us. I do not see us going lower than this, brother.
Because realistically, if we break this low, I mean, what the fuck are we looking for at this point? That low of
down here, that
ES 720.
Yeah, it's a low that ES swept and NQ hasn't yet. Or we might just want to go down and fill that whole opening gap, but ES just did that completely right now. Like, it just did it.
Bad shit.
ES just filled that opening gap. So this is where I'm looking for an inversion.
Am I muted?
What up,
ideas?
Hello?
What up?
Yo, excellent.
What's up, man?
What's up? I'm just looking for an afternoon paper trade. Just talking to this one guy that's
yeah.
And,
I
wait,
don't even know what's happening. It's the tiniest gap you've seen.
Dude, why can't I hear anything?
You probably can. We're just not talking. Listen,
man.
the only reason I'm confident
This is gone, bro.
Oh, bro, we're opening up this 2-minute gap.
think so.
It's the last one.
I can't hear it.
If we respect this
X, we
2-minute
hear you.
gap, then I'm done. I promise. I want to see this inverse 2-minute gap.
Well, there we go.
Look at all that LR above, bro. I'm telling you. What up? What up, sexy?
Yo.
What are you doing?
I took longs off of FOMC. Well, I got it before. I made another couple hundred. Dude, I've been up so much today.
Me too. I'm trying to get in
Let's
longs,
go.
but it's just dumping, bro. I'm kind of pissed about it.
Today was a fire day.
Yeah, I'm up pretty decent today. Somewhat.
He's salty that
Few bucks.
we sat here this whole
Did you say $2?
time.
No, a few bucks. A few bucks.
Yeah, like 4.
Oh, I'm gonna puke, bro.
Yeah, I think it's about time to go to the gym at this point.
Yeah, boys, I'm gonna be looking for anything. It's 3 o'clock.
That's the best time. to
Yeah,
look
I know.
for it,
We were playing with an idea, seeing if we would get it. We didn't.
Yeah, we're not
Okay.
a good trade, but we're looking for long.
I might be
but-
trading Asia since that we rips down so hard,
Oh, I'm for sure.
and we have like
trading
such high
Asia.
draws.
If we
So
don't take out that
I'm gonna look
hours,
for an entry.
Yeah, for sure.
Makes sense for sure.
I'm staying on.
It's kind of exactly what we were
Waiting for
saying. We were
this.
looking for kind of the inversion of all this stuff but we just didn't ever fully get the correct play.
I'm about to get it.
Yeah.
I'm staying here for.
we might retrace pretty far down and then rip up, but we'll see.
Yeah, makes sense.
Always expect the unexpected.
Salty
Hell
about
yeah.
That shit, low key.
Oh. Damn, shit's
You look like a
ripping to the
TikTok.
downside.
You took like you resell on
Kinda.
TikTok.
What?
You look like you resell shit.
It's
on
going
TikTok.
down quickly.
Look like you're about to show 10 bands after you show your face. I don't know. You just look like a smart
Oh,
little
say.
bitch.
Yeah, show my bread.
There you go. Oh, with the
Yeah.
ooh, look at that house
Wait, what?
though. Is that a crib? What's that chandelier up top? Is that a second floor?
Yeah, don't take anything.
Alright. I'm gonna personally
Go to the gym, fat ass.
I'm almost even wanting to just fucking scalp this downfall after sitting here for an hour and a half because I feel like the trade's owed to me. Go ahead and click that. Oh. Alright, Jack, you want to go do something productive? Like what? Be productive or no?
We're gonna sandwich.
Yeah. Ah, Chandler, are you here? Chandler. Whoa.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm still
Good
looking
night.
for longs right now.